teaching you how to make this super easy wall art. It's using plaster and plywood and then the famous baking soda and paint technique. And it's just super simple to put together, really cheap option if you want some larger scale wall art.
Okay, so to start, I got a piece of plywood and a few different wooden shapes just from Michael's. And so I'm just gonna take wood glue and attach them. So I'm just gonna lay out the design first and then use wood glue to attach them to the board. So now I'm just gonna take some spackling and just create a little bit of texture in some of the open spaces, and then I'll let that dry, and then I'm gonna paint over that. So once the spackling is dried, I'm just gonna take some paint, add baking soda, and mix it in. And then I'm just gonna give everything a coat and then add in some texture with the paint after it dries a little bit. So once everything dried, I ended up not liking this one. I had added some of the bigger pieces because most of the ones I had seen people do with just plaster wasn't textured enough, but I didn't like how this one turned out. So I ended up just doing a smaller one with just plaster, letting it dry exactly how I had said before, and then using the baking soda and paint to go over it. And I really love how this one turned out. So now I'm just gonna add wood trim along the edge to make it look a little bit more finished. So I have some extra furring strips from a project that I had shared, and I'm just gonna cut those down to size and wood glue and nail them into place.